Today is Shaneil Muir birthday, and the top girl drop a brand new music video for her song, Exclusive.
You don't see me exclusive. And any game I play, me I feel it coming, not exclusive.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Anything mama wear, my buy that. No one come borrow girl clothes. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name go down the road. Come on, not easy forget, and if a boy get me, not go easy for left. Promise, me no see the girl.
First thing I want to do is say happy birthday to Shaneil Muir. Today is July 12, 2021, and it's her birthday. No more, I want to get in the comment section and also send her a birthday shout out. And to anybody else that is celebrating a birthday today, happy birthday to you, right? And then we want to shout out everybody, all of the cancer them. We are celebrating a birthday in close proximity to this one, you know, before or after. So big up all of the cancer them and shout out to Shaneil Muir. Like me say, she drop her song Exclusive. I know some want to see it, but for the one them want to see it yet or hear it yet, let's get into it.
If you run up on my panic, now watch your pretty face, head be open like a bunny. You don't see me exclusive. And any game I play, me I feel it coming, not exclusive. I swear that I the truth. I regular me off it till a boy do say yes. Any game I play, me I feel it coming, not exclusive. Yo, man, not exclusive.
Now, people, as far as our social media activity goes, she's not doing a lot. She just posts her song out upon all platforms. So you can check out the full song on her Vivo, right? But what she did do is post some pictures of when she was, you know what I mean, younger, way younger. Some of them there for sure, you know. And, you know, she have some school pics in it too. And a lot, but some, you see me, I say, and it's very nice to see them. So me I go show you them there, all right?
So you really feel say me I go sit down and make a boy clown me. Any man me there with a fi hold me up. And if you ever hear say top girl a fight over man, when you see me every bone fi broke. Call me a girl, me no TM. That little girl can't call up my name, eh. And if I know me and me team, me know it up in a click, and I don't watch the fame, yeah. You don't see me exclusive.
So this is the first pic of Shaneil Muir, and the one here our friend Nika Music posted. So you know Nika, right? Artist too, right? So she posted this and she has said, Shaneil get work. Shaneil there said she go post more, but she has said she can't do that to herself. So Nika posted that one and she reposted it on her story. What do you think? Still look like Shaneil Muir? Still have the same face?
I swear that I the truth. I regular me off it till a boy do say yes. Any game I play, me off it win coming, not take closes. Yo, man, not take closes.
Shaneil, what makes you different? I'm exclusive.
Someone watch a game like clockwork. From I get the break, man, I stop work. Full of prayer, yeah, I put God first in my story. If you have a better chapter, work hard and watch the growth. Man, know my grow, I got a lot of flow, them sick. Stack a lot of shows, I'ma make a lot of hits. You know I'ma stay cool. All if I go the same school, you still know in my class.
When you hear that, all if you no go the same school where the top girl go, you still not in her class. Now is a picture of her in her class. So you know how the thing go, right? So big up the top girl. So we definitely can say that one I look like how she look today. You know, same face and everything. You know, she would like bigger body today, but well, I look on some teenage picture, and this is another picture of her. Look like she bake a pie. You see me? Like she do food and nutrition at school. Most definitely, obviously. You see me? But people, how school that? Tell me if you wanna know down in the comment section. When you see the uniform, if you wanna know the uniform, when you know the school, when you tell me how which school that. Alright? Because that one is exclusive.
You don't see me exclusive. And any game I play, me I feel win coming, not take closes. I swear that I the truth. I regular me off it till a boy do say yes. Any game I play, me I feel win coming, not take closes. Yo, man, not take closes. Anything mama wear, my buy that. No one come borrow girl clothes. I mean, no see the boy if he call me out, me name go down the road. Come on, not easy forget, and if a boy get me, not go easy for left. Promise, me no see the girl if you run up on my panic. Now watch your pretty face, head be open like a bonnet. Exclusive.
Yeah, people. So once again, the song is called Exclusive, and you can check out the full song on her Vivo, right? And people, this is another pick. Obviously, she's the tallest one there. I don't know. That's most of our family them as well, right? Cousin or brother or sister. I don't know exactly. Oh, but this last pick now, this is obviously when she's a lot older. We can see, she look just like how she look right now. Or look mostly like how she look right now compared to the rest of picks them, right? So people, once again, want to say happy birthday to her. Hope she enjoy her birthday. And we know say she not go live yet, but me I look out for she go live. More than likely, she come give some tune, probably have some new tune and something we don't know. But if she do so, me I go make her get it as well. So again, big up to everybody that is celebrating a birthday today, and to all of the cancer them, you know what I mean? Wanna big up on yourself. Saying so, stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.